Hey, Chickapoo, Maine. Can I use your phone for a second? I left mine at the house.
No problem. Here you go.
Thank you, man. Oh, you got something brown on your screen, Maine. A little smudge.
Oh, that? Just ignore it. It's just a little fecal matter.
Okay, Maine, I'll just rub it off. Hey, Maine. Fecal matter is shit.
Oh, no, man. It's just a small, minute deposit of fecal. Use the phone.
No, I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna hand it back to your nasty ass.
Don't worry, man. Everyone uses the phone on the toilet, and a small amount of fecal matter gets on the phone, either when they don't wash their hands or when they flush the toilet. It's no big deal. Use the phone.
Why do you get like this every blue moon, Maine? You just have strange days.
Don't you use the phone when you're on the toilet, man?
Yeah, but I'm a bear, Maine. And when we take a shit, we scrunch our asshole tight. So we don't have to wipe or wash, but you humans have to, Maine. I changed my mind. You can have the phone back. I'll just go home and use my own phone.
Man, if you don't use this phone right now, I'll kill you. You're gonna put the phone close to your cheek, rub it in, let the fecal matter set in, and use the phone.
What's wrong with you, Maine? I'm not using this phone, Maine. It's nasty.
Millions of people use other people's phones without a care in the world, a care about a dirty screen, or a care about fecal matter. You're gonna be like those people. You're gonna use the phone.
Oh no, Maine. You gonna kill me over using a dirty phone, Maine?
It's just a small infinitesimal amount of fecal matter. Use the phone. It's
I
nothing
promise
wrong
when I
with a
shit,
little
I'ma
fecal.
scratch it up
It's
and
just
wipe
fecal.
and wipe my phone
Use the phone.
too. I'ma wipe
Use
other
the phone,
people's
man.
phone before I use it.
Use the phone.
No.
It's just fecal
Don't make
matter.
me use the phone.
Use the phone.
You gonna kill
Everyone
me over a
else
dirty
does it.
phone? No.
Use the
man.
phone.